Marketing Reward by Jamie Lewis. It's a new course selling domains, but is it worth your time? All this up on this week's Wealth with Rob. Hey, what's up, guys? Rob Reese here, talking about how you can succeed and make money from home utilizing your laptop. And this week, we are reviewing Jamie Lewis's new product on the Warrior Plus that comes out on July 27th on the Warrior Plus network at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is Market Reward all about? It's about domaining. And if you don't know what domaining is, according to the dictionary, it is the buying and selling of domain names. Now, of course, people are going to think, no, I don't want to sell to people. I don't want to get on the phone. Well, don't worry. You don't have to do any of that. This is an extremely easy and simple way for you to get started making money online, simply selling little domain names. Now, I've personally sold domains in the past. Now, this is my Stripe account, as you can see. Now, not everything here has to do with selling domains. What you'll see here is a $154 payment and a $120 payment. Both of these were from selling domains. They were simple domains that I purchased for $9.99 utilizing GoDaddy. Now, in order to sell domains, what you would need to do is be able to find domain names that have some type of inherent value to somebody. Now, you can do that the old-fashioned way and simply start typing out domain names that you think may sound popular, such as shoppingonline.com. Now, obviously, this is not going to be an available domain, but as you can see, you can start thinking about different things that may come up. So let's talk about, let's say, what are other popular things that we can think about. We know that right now, survival is a big niche. So what we can do is type in survival kitsnow.com. Let's see if that's something that actually is available. No, it's not. It's already taken. But guess what? When we come up with a name that is pretty hot and has a built-in niche in the name, we can go ahead and then flip that domain in a number of places that I'm going to go ahead and show you in just a second. But I want to share with you a domain that I just procured. All right, hotsummerbody.com. And of course, this is going to cover many different potential niches. Now, as you can see, Hot Summer Body is available, right? And that is $1,060. Why? It's because I am selling it. I put it on for sale with this tool here, GoDaddy. Now, the hard part about this, guys, is coming up with ideas, coming up with whether or not it might be a name that is going to be monetizable and that you can sell. You have to be able to find domains that are hot, that have proven track record of being wanted to be purchased, and you have to be able to find the right seller. Now, that's where this new program, Marketing Reward, comes into play. Now, I personally received a review copy of this new course. I have another domain course by Jamie Lewis that's absolutely fantastic, which is what I used in order to sell the domains in the past. But this one has a really incredible twist to it. But before we go there, I want to show you just a couple of places that you can actually get started for free if, in fact, you take my advice and just do the whole process manually. Facebook is a great place for you to be able to sell your domain. Now, not to mention if you have friends that are in the industry of whatever niche that you're speaking about. Let's say you're in the pen niche, right? And you want to sell a domain that sells pens. The best pen penever.com. Let's say, for instance, that's your domain, and look, that's $1 per month. I don't know why they're telling me per month, but that it is. So it's $12 for the first year. Okay. The best pen ever is $1 per month. Let's say we went ahead and purchase it, and what you would do is just go ahead and click on purchase and go through the entire process of purchasing the domain. Click continue, no thanks, and once you've purchased it, once you own the domain, what you're going to want to do is head on over to Facebook and type in domain buy sell in the Facebook search bar. When you come here, what you're going to notice is under groups, you'll have quite a few of domain buy and sell groups. So what you're going to want to do is simply join each one of these, okay? Join each one of these. And then all you're going to do is post your domain for sale. Now, it may not sell immediately. It may never sell. Let's just be honest about that. However, if you build up a portfolio of multiple domain names for $9 or under of each domain, and you sell one for a couple of $100, was it not worth maybe going through 5 to 10 domains for anywhere between $50 to $100 in order to make a couple of hundred, especially over the course of a few weeks, by simply posting little ads inside of Facebook groups? Well, this process completely cuts out a lot of the work with Marketing Reward. Marketing Reward is a mixture of traffic, software, and domain picking software to help you maximize your potential capabilities of selling domains that are high value and low cost. So inside of the members area, which you see right here, Marketing Reward, you'll be met with a number of things. First and foremost, you're going to have a couple of trainings. Now, the videos, ever since I received it, have changed a little bit. They haven't added all of the videos back, but I was able to go through the webinar, about half of the webinar, where they were showing you exactly how everything works. And part of the traffic sources that they're going to be using is Instagram and YouTube. And what you're probably thinking is creating videos, posting photos. It has nothing to do with any of that. And he goes through a very unique and very simple process. And the best part is that most of it is automated for you. So when you come in here, what you'll be met with is a campaigns tab where you'll be able to do a little bit of searching for offers, for videos that would match your offer. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reaching out to YouTube creators that are not properly monetizing their videos. And what you can do is, based on the niche, you can go ahead and then say, hey, listen, I have a domain that you've just recently purchased, and I'll show you that in a second, that goes to a affiliate offer. And that affiliate offer, obviously, if people end up purchasing, will pay out a commission. And what you can do is rent these channels, and you can simply rent space on these channels, or you can say, hey, listen, we'll partner and we'll split the profits of the affiliate offers that we're sending to, especially if they're not monetizing their channel appropriately or their videos appropriately. And how it happens is there's a really nifty software in here that does a deep dive search in YouTube for these categories and these keywords. What you'll be able to do is, let's say you ended up with a cryptocurrency website that you just purchased, and you want to go ahead and forward it to an affiliate offer. As you can see here, what it ends up doing is it pulls up, based on the search term, videos that are not being monetized correctly. It does all of the hard work, so you don't have to do any of this manually. And what you're going to do is you're going to be able to click on here and say message owner. Okay, message owner. That is going to allow you to contact the owner of that channel and say, hey, listen, I just saw your video. I noticed that you guys are not monetizing it. How about we split the profits of this thing that I'm attempting to do, or just pay them a small little fee to rent it for a week and see how it does. That's really cool, built in there. And this software even has built in the ability to find high value domains. It's going to show you domains that are currently being searched after, things that are being actually searched right now. It's going to show you how many searches are available and so much more. I mean, this really takes out all of the legwork of what it takes when it comes to domaining. So guys, if you want to pick this up, it's going to come with a ton of related bonuses, full courses, some software to edit images. I mean, you name it. Pick it up by using the link in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, ask me a question about affiliate marketing, and let me know what kind of domain you end up purchasing later on, guys. Take it easy, and God bless. Bye-bye.